What's going on, everybody? In this video, I want to talk about BitDigital or BTBT. I want to talk about their mining update going over the month of December, and I also want to talk about the chart. And I want to start off by saying this is only around a $300 million company, so keep that in mind when I go over their mining update. And keep in mind that, BitDigital has a 2.5 exahash per second, while CleanSpark has a little over a 10. So looking at hash rate to market cap alone, BitDigital is more attractive in that regard. We have CleanSpark at a nearly $2 billion market cap, with 4 times the hash rate. So we're talking about roughly 6 times the market cap, but only 4 times the hash rate. Of course, there's more to look at than that, but when just looking at hash rate to market cap, BitDigital is undervalued when compared to some others. But that is one thing you'll see across the board when you get down the list of Bitcoin miners. The more riskier you go, typically the more attractive hash rate to market cap, but that's partially due to the baked in risk as well. That said, I do really like the risk to reward of BitDigital. I like that they also stake Ethereum, but let's get into this mining update here. And in December, the company produced nearly 170 Bitcoin, which is a 19% increase to the previous month. And they have an active hash rate of approximately 2.52 exahash per second as of the end of December. Now, looking at their treasury holdings, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they have 642 Bitcoin, while they have 17,399 Ethereum, representing a fair market value as of this update of 27 million for their Bitcoin and 39 million for their Ethereum. They're also still holding cash and cash equivalents of nearly $17 million. And in this section here, they talk about their Ethereum staking. BitDigital has earned a blended APY of approximately 3.67% on its staked Ethereum, and they earned staking rewards of roughly 39 Ethereum. And BitDigital, just like a lot of the other miners we're hearing about, are starting to get into AI. And BitDigital has now received a total of 192 AI servers, which contains a total of 1,536 NVIDIA HGX H1000 GPUs. And 64 of these AI servers have already been successfully installed at the data center in Iceland, and they're undergoing testing. The remaining servers are expected to arrive at the data center in the first half of January. So once we get into February and get our January update, we're going to hear about these AI servers being fully up and running, hopefully. But it's kind of interesting that a lot of these Bitcoin miners are getting into AI computing, utilizing their current knowledge of graphics cards and computing software, things like that, to venture into AI. I do think that's kind of interesting that we're hearing more and more about that with the miners, and I do think more will follow this route as well. Now, I do want to talk about BitDigital on the chart. There is a pattern that we've been forming, and we have one ascending trend that was broken. Just like with all the other miners, they started topping out. We saw this break of this, these large, huge uptrends. We broke support there. I'm going to zoom in on a smaller time frame here in a second, but I also want to mention that we still have this uptrend that so far we're maintaining. If we do pull back a bit, I do think the market will react to this uptrend, this ascending support here. But I want to zoom to a closer time frame and show you this tightening pattern that we're experiencing. I do think a breakout in either direction is very likely, so keep an eye on this pattern. If we do see a breakout of it, the market will likely react to it. But to me, BitDigital is looking great. We've now been able to cool off our RSI a bit. We saw our golden cross just a little over 2 weeks ago now, and I do think BitDigital is going higher. I do think these miners are setting up to go on their next run. But let me know what miners you guys are picking up today. Today is a great day to buy some miners out there. Nice discounts across the board. I did add a little bit of BTBT and Sphere 3D. But let me know what you guys are mining. But let me know what you guys are buying out there. What are the best deals out there that you notice? And what do you think of BTBT? Thanks as always for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.